In this video, I'm going to show you how to make your desktop look clean and professional. So, let's get started. Alright, so here as you can see I've got my desktop right here, and as you can see I've got a lot of icons right here that has cluttered up my desktop. It looks pretty ugly and doesn't look really good and clean. So now first thing we're going to be doing is we're going to hide all the desktop icons right here. One thing you can do is you can just select all of them and just delete, but just in case you had some important files that might get deleted as well. So the best thing you want to do is right click on your desktop and just hover over view and just uncheck the box that says show desktop icon. Here as you can see our icons have disappeared. Now don't worry, your files and icons have not been deleted. You can just get them back by opening up the file explorer and then opening up the desktop folder, and you'll find all the icons right here, all the files, icons, shortcuts and everything saved up right here. The thing is that it's all hidden on your desktop. It's not showing on your desktop. Alright, now all you're going to be doing is we're going to be unpinning a few icons that are there on your taskbar. Just in case you've got any unwanted apps that are there in your taskbar, you can just right click on it and then just click on unpin from taskbar, and then they'll disappear from your taskbar. I'm going to unpin both of these. As soon as you've done that, we're going to be hiding our search bar into a search icon. We're going to turn it into a search icon. To do that, right click on your taskbar, hover over search, show search icon. Now as you can see our search bar has turned into an icon. Right click once again. And then here as you can see we've got the show Cortana button option right here. Just click on uncheck it and your Cortana button will disappear. As soon as you're done with that, just right click on your taskbar once again, go to taskbar settings, and right after that a new window will pop up, that is the settings window. And here scroll down, and here we've got this drop down menu right here, that is combine taskbar buttons. Just click on that, and then here just click on always hide labels. That will hide the labels that were once showing on your applications in your taskbar. Right after that, just scroll down here, we've got the turn system icons on or off. Just click on that. You can just toggle the ones that you don't want to show on your taskbar off and toggle the ones you want to show on your taskbar on. I don't want this one, so I'm going to uncheck toggle this off as well, and toggle this off as well. And now as you can see our icons have reduced right here. Click on the arrow right here. Now right after that, scroll down, and here we'll find this select which icons appear on your taskbar. Just click on that, and here you can just turn all of this off so that it won't show up on your taskbar. You can just click on the arrow to preview them all. If you toggle this on, as you can see all the icons are right now showing on your taskbar and makes your taskbar look cluttered up. If you toggle that off, as you can see we've got this small tiny clean icon right here. If you click on that, we've got all of these icons showing up right here, which is pretty neat and clean. Click on the arrow once again, and yeah, that's pretty much all you need to do on your taskbar. Here we've got one more option, that is people. You can just toggle that off to hide that people icon right here. Now I'm going to close this window. Now here as you can see we've got this option, this widget right here, that is the news and interest option right here, the widget icon right here. To hide that, just right click on your taskbar and then just hover over news and interests, and in the right side you can turn it into an icon. That only makes it into an icon. Or you can just go back once again and then turn it off directly, and then it won't be showing up right there. Now as soon as you're done cleaning up your taskbar and your desktop, we're going to be installing an application which will center all your taskbar icons in the center, which makes it look really cool. All you gotta do is head on over to the link in the description, that is Taskbar X, and it'll take you to this website right here. This is the Taskbar X website right here. Here all you gotta do is scroll down all the way to the bottom, and here you'll find this downloads page right here. If you're running a 64-bit operating system, you have to click on this one. If you're running an 86-bit operating system, you'll have to select this one. I'm running a 64-bit operating system, so I'm going to select this one. And then right after that, it'll start downloading in the bottom left corner of your screen. Make sure you have WinRAR or WinZip installed on your computer. After that, just click open up File Explorer, open up the downloads folder, and then just right click on this file and then just click on extract here. Right after that, you'll find all the files that were there inside the zip file all extracted right here. Now here all you gotta do is double click on this Taskbar X application right here, the blue icon one, and you'll find the taskbar icon centered. Now let me just minimize, and let me just open up. Now you have to open up this gray icon, Taskbar X Configurator. Just open it up. I'm just gonna minimize this window. Now as you can see, you've got this new window right here, that is the Taskbar X Configurator. Here we've got a lot of options, that is to make your taskbar transparent, to make it look blurred, or to make it acrylic. You've even got option to make it opaque, transparent, or make it just to the default taskbar that is right now showing on my taskbar. let me select blur and let me just click on apply. And now as you can see, my taskbar is blurred. So as you can see, the background is blurred, so the taskbar has this cool glossy blur effect. Let me go back to transparent gradient, and that will make my taskbar completely transparent. If I bring this window to the bottom, as you can see, the taskbar has become see-through or transparent. So what is underneath will show up clearly. That is your background that you've put on your computer. For now, I'm just going to set it to blur. Just click on apply, and as you can see, it makes my taskbar look blurred. Let me just close this window. Now one final thing that is left is that we're going to be changing the wallpaper of our desktop. To do that, go to the link in the description once again. We will take you to this website, that is wallpaperaccess.com/Dave2D, in which we've got a collection of the top 54 Dave2D wallpapers and backgrounds. If you scroll down, as you can see, we've got a lot of different wallpapers right here, ranging from different colors, different resolutions, and all kinds of different designs as well. We've got this blue colored right here. We've got a lot of other cool wallpapers which you can choose from. You can choose the one you really like. You can just scroll down, let me see the one which I like. Yeah, this one. I'm going to be selecting this wallpaper right here. I'm just going to download it. Let me just wait for it to prepare the link. You just have to wait. Here I'm going to click on download full resolution image. We'll start downloading in the bottom left corner of your screen. Just minimize, open up File Explorer, and then open up the downloads folder, and just open up this file right here. And then here, as you can see, we've got our wallpaper right here, which looks pretty high quality and really cool. All you gotta do is click on the three dots in the top right corner, and then just click on Set As. Just hover over Set As, and just click on Set As Background. Right after that, just close all the windows on your computer and have a look at your professional and clean looking desktop. Here, as you can see, we've got a few icons centered up right here. We've got all our icons in taskbar look really clean. All the icons gone and disappeared. Here, as you can see, we've got all of my cool wallpaper right here as well. If you want to hide these icons right here as well, like we've got the time, we've got the date, we've got this icon right here, we've got the speakers, and we've got this arrow right here. If you want to hide that, you can even do that by right clicking on your taskbar, click on taskbar settings, and then scrolling down, and then just click on turn system icons on or off. You can just toggle all of these off so that all of them disappear completely. Now, as you can see, my taskbar is completely clean. But I really need the time, the volume, and all of these buttons because they're really important. So I'm just going to keep it for now. And I think I need all of this, so yeah. And yeah, that's how you make your desktop look clean and professional. If you find this video helpful, make sure to give this video a like and share with a friend. And if you have any questions, you can put them down in the comment section below. And please hit the subscribe button to support me. Till then, see you later. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.